Hello, how are you? Common phrasal verbs. In this video, we will learn break off, break out, and break out of. Are you ready? Break off. To stop in the middle of something, especially speaking. To end a relationship. To separate part of something from the whole. Or to become separate.
Linda was singing, but broke off when she heard the strange noise.
Correct.
The two countries broke off diplomatic relations.
Good.
Tom broke off a large piece of the chocolate.
Oh yes. Break out. Something unpleasant starts to happen suddenly. To suddenly appear on the skin. To move away or separate from someone or something.
A fire broke out in the forest.
Well done.
Her face broke out with acne. Sweat broke out on his forehead.
Brilliant.
Break out from smoking.
Oh yes. Break out of. To escape from somewhere.
The thief broke out of the prison.
Correct. Getting better. You can follow the next lesson. Bye.